Okay, let's see, I've got these 100 lit up very bright, pretty darn bright. These 100 are not in the system at all, they're not affecting anything. I have my meter probe across 90 of them. I broke my probe connector here, but I still got a clip on there. So I'm going across 90 of the 100 LEDs. You can see we got 188 volts. I'm getting ready to go with 300 LEDs, but I just wanted to check this first. So 188. There's where our frequency is. 1.056 megahertz, 16 volts. So yeah, if I were to check across all 100 of them, you know I would be over 200 volts there. So anyhow, I'm gonna just wanted to show you that real quick, and I'm gonna continue and see if I can get all 300 lit here. Maybe yes, maybe no. We'll see. Alright guys, well, they're all lit. 300 of them now. They're not lit as bright as I'd like them to be though. That's for sure. Let's see. Their outputs are all tied together now. We got 6 coils in each one. Well, except for over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I ran out of these. I don't have any more of these. I have to make more. I'd have to do that from work. I started putting some other coils together. This coil, I have 4 or 5 of these. These are the same wavelength as those, but much different induction. Now this happened to me once before. I don't have this end connected, and it come out better. And this has happened to me before, yeah, where I've accidentally had a weak connection in there and the lights went on. It's like, huh? But anyhow, yeah, because I usually have all these coils are connected at both ends into the LEDs. But this one is not. Normally I'd connect it way over there. So that's bothering me a little bit. So I'm still using this one. So I'm debating right now if I should go back to this one, because all my experiments I did with that, I accidentally had it set on sine wave. Or I could keep adding a few hundred more LEDs off at the end of this now. But I'd really like to get these a little brighter. So I'm going to think about it, maybe play around with these coils over here more. We'll be back. Okay, let's see, I got 3 of these on here now. I'll probably still have to add 1 or 2 more. Okay, they're lit up pretty good right now. I'm going to see if I can get a little brighter yet. Now, there are 2 resonating frequencies, or harmonics. I don't know what you want to call them. I know they're not in half or double. It could still be in a quarter wavelength. I got 3 lengths of antenna, you could say, on there. They're 5 inches each. My Avermenko plug's lit up. Let's see, we're 950 kilohertz. Now I have, let's see if we could zoom in there. Now my LEDs just went out. That just went out. Now it's coming back on. There's another frequency there, but these are not lit. Now we're around just close to 1.1 megahertz here. Now, let's see, let's remove these three. Bam, they just lit up. There, they're really nice and bright right now. So now, it's like we've tuned into that higher frequency. Yeah, now we're 1.110 megahertz. Now if I scroll down, the LEDs go off. Avermenko plug goes out. It's coming back on. It's brightest right there. But now these are barely even lit at all. So you could tune into whichever one you want. Yeah, I think the higher one is better. So, lit up pretty nice now. All 300. Oops. There they are. But anyhow, we'll keep playing around a little bit. We'll be back. Okay, guys. We did it. I got 300 very well lit. It is broad daylight. My camera's kind of changing the view. They're nice and well lit. Believe me, I guarantee there's at least 2 volts minimum across each one. So yeah, we got 6 coils here, 6 coils here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we didn't have a 6th one, so we put 5 of these together, which equals the same induction as one of those. And also I'm going with no ground wire, so we are at the higher frequency. Ooh. Let's see. Okay, so now we're at 1.110 megahertz. Alright, so with that said, we're going to continue on and see if I could break my record here with adding a whole nother layer of LEDs down here.